Today we're going to be learning about a term called composite shapes. We know what shapes are. That part is easy. Circles, squares, rectangles, rhombuses, and trapezoids, and hexagons. Those are shapes. Composite shapes are a very specific kind of shape. And the word composite means made up from a variety of parts. So you put a bunch of parts together and it becomes a composite. So say with me, composite shapes. Let's try it again. Composite shapes. So composite shapes take a bunch of shapes and put them together to create something new. Let me show you what I mean. So far I have added a triangle and a trapezoid to this page. Now, to be a composite shape, I'm going to show you some things you can't do. You can't overlap. You can't have little corners matched up like this. You have to match a straight edge to a straight edge, and then it becomes a composite shape. And the new shape would be this. Let me see if there's a way I can do this with a different color. Maybe I can, and maybe I cannot. Looks like I might be able to. So it's just the outside then. Oh, no, it's not staying. So it's just the outside that it becomes. So I'm going to follow it along. You watch me. This becomes this. And that would be your new shape. I'm going to have a challenge for you that I want you to do with this. We're not doing the whole lesson, but I want you to do the fun part. And what's the fun part? Look what we did here. We have a triangle and 1/4 of a circle. And we've taped them together and traced them. And I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to just take some of our things from yesterday. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a triangle. Falling on the floor. And then I'm just going to cut out something kind of random. I cut out these two shapes right here. I'm going to go full screen so you can see what I'm doing a little better. Okay, so I cut out these two shapes. Now, I'm going to tape them together to make a brand new shape. I have some tape right here. So can you do this yourself at home? Absolutely. That's why I'm showing it to you this way. I'm going to match it right up like this because I think it's going to be kind of cool. I don't want that extra tape showing. So now I took two shapes and I taped them together and I made a composite shape. This is just a random shape, right? Now I want to make a really pretty design with it. I'm going to do mine on my dry erase board. Okay. You can do yours on a regular piece of paper. So I'm going to trace along the outside. I'm going to do that right down here, and then I'll hold it up in just 1 second. So be patient while I do this. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm going to make something really unique. Okay, so I put this here, and I traced around it, and I ended up with this. Agreed? Now I want to make something really fun and cool and different, and I really want to have fun with this project. So I think I'm going to trace right here too. Or ooh, it's beautiful if I do that. I'm going to trace right here, and I think I'm going to like it. I'm taking a composite shape, and I'm making it an even bigger composite shape, and I'm using a pattern. So erased a little bit, but I want to keep on going. I'm going to show you what I am at with the 2. Okay. What does it look like? I don't know. I always like to make pictures out of these and then decide what they are. Maybe it could be like a spaceship flying. So I took my shape, I had it here, then I moved it here. Oops, I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. I had it up top, and then I moved it down below. Okay, so I've traced it twice. Can I add in the third tracing of it? Yeah, I'm going to. And you can see how you could do this over and over again, building pictures with composite shapes. And it's really pretty. And it's a really neat way to be an artist and be learning all about math. So that's what a composite shape is. I'm going to show you an example that I had for my slideshow today. I don't want to spend a lot of time with that. I wanted to show it to you this way. So here they are showing us a triangle, and they had a circle and they cut it into a quarter. Then they were able to make this new shape. And this is what it looks like. And you can even give your composite shape a new name and call it something. What does it look like to you? What did it make? It's a neat way of thinking, isn't it? So that's what I have as a project for you. 2 shapes, glue them together, or tape them together, or whatever you have at your house to make a new shape, and then keep building on it just like I did, making a brand new composite shape. And you can do this as many times as you want to and see what kind of pictures you can make, how you can decorate them, thinking about a composite shape and what that is. It's putting things together. Okay, putting shapes together. That's it. That's what you're doing. Have fun.